welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to enable multi-currency in Salesforce. All right, go ahead and open up your account on Salesforce. Now, once you're in here, go ahead and click on the cogwheel right here at the top. Click on it and click on Open Advanced Setup. All right, wait for the website to load. Now, once it loads, go ahead and go to the left pane, which is right here, and scroll down. Now find company settings. Click on it and click on company information. Click on it and wait for the website to load. Now, once it loads, as you can see here, we have the corporate currency. And as you can see here, I have activated multiple currencies. Now to do that, go ahead and click on edit. All right, now scroll down until you find your currency settings. There'll be a quick note right here. Once you click on activate multiple currency or enable it, you cannot reverse it. All right. Now, once you're sure that you wanted this multiple currency feature, just go ahead and tap on the tick box and hit on save. All right. Once done, in here at the top, as you can see, we have the currency setup. Go ahead and click on it. Now from here, if you want to enable advanced currency management, all right, go ahead and do so. Enable it. That'll be a pop-up right here. And yes, I want to enable it. All right, and wait for it to load. If you don't want it, go ahead and disable it right here. Disable, and you can add the particular currency manually right here. As you can see, we have the new button. Just click on it. Now from here, there's a drop down the currency type. For example, I'm going to use USD or US dollars. Right here, the conversion rate may be a 5.56, 57.56. Decimal places 2. Hit on save right here. And as you can see, I have both Philippine peso and US dollars. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.